Following this program, you will learn how to ask a question. You will increase your fluency, and please use this program because despite not having proper tense command, grammar command, you can learn the grammar without mugging up. Yeah. Hi everyone, welcome to Grow with Shilpa channel. My name is Shilpa and today I have brought for you amazing tips how you can build your grammar without learning grammar. Yes, actually the thing is, let me explain in Hindi. बात ये है कि मैंने जिस तरीके से अपने टेंसेस, लोग बहुत वरीड रहते हैं कि मुझे टेंस नहीं पढ़ना, मुझे बहुत बोर लगता है, मुझे से नहीं पढ़े जाते हैं। तो जिस तरीके से मैंने प्रैक्टिस की है अपनी, मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप भी उसी तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करें। आपको अलग से कोई टेंस पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं कि किसमें क्या, कुछ नहीं। ठीक है, आप सब कुछ जानते हैं टेंस के बारे में, यू नो एवरीथिंग, मुझे बताने की जरूरत नहीं है। लेकिन मैं आपके लिए एक ऐसा प्रोग्राम लेकर आई हूँ जिस पर आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे ना, जितना आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे उतना आप फ्लुएंट होते जाएंगे और उतना आपका जो टेंस है वो क्लियर होता जाएगा आपके माइंड में। फिर जब आप स्पीकिंग करेंगे ना ऑन द सिचुएशन टॉपिक, यू कैन इजीली स्पीक ऑन दैट टाइम। बट हम जब प्रैक्टिस करते हैं तो हमें किस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करनी है कि हमें टेंस भी मतलब अच्छे से आ जाए और हमें याद करने की जरूरत भी ना पड़े। ठीक है, तो इसके लिए मैं एक अमेजिंग प्रोग्राम लेकर आई हूँ। कुछ क्वेश्चंस मैंने पेपर पे लिखे हैं जो है 55 क्वेश्चंस। ठीक है, ये इज MR यानी प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस से रिलेटेड है। ठीक है, किस तरह से आप क्वेश्चंस पूछ सकते हैं प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूस टेंस पे। इससे पहले मैं प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट टेंस पर भी क्वेश्चंस लिखकर लाई थी। रैपिड फायर, आपको जिस तरीके से प्रैक्टिस करनी है आप रैपिड फायर उसको कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, आपको क्या करना है, ये जो कुछ मैंने क्वेश्चंस लिखे हैं इस तरीके से आपको भी क्वेश्चंस लिख लेने हैं जितना आप कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, फिर आपको क्या करना है, ये मेरे जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो है रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चन है, येस नो क्वेश्चंस है। जैसे कि मैं आपको पढ़ के बताती हूँ। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, Am I late for the meeting? मैं जानना चाहती हूँ क्या मैं मीटिंग के लिए लेट हूँ या नहीं हूँ। ठीक है, तो मैं ये जानना चाहती हूँ। इससे क्या पता लगता है, ये सिर्फ यस नो क्वेश्चंस है। ठीक है, आपको सिर्फ यस और नो करना है। तो मैं आपको करके बताती हूँ आपको किस तरीके से प्रोग्राम करना है। ठीक है, आपको घर पर भी इसी तरीके से करना है। तो विदाउट एनी फर्दर डिले लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। Am I late for the meeting? No, I am not late for the meeting. Is she coming to the party? Yes, she is coming to the party. Are they going to the beach? Yes, they are going to the beach. Is he a teacher? Yes, he is a teacher. Are they ready to go? No, they are not ready to go. Am I pronouncing it correctly? Yes, I am pronouncing it correctly. Is it raining outside? Yes, it is raining outside. Is there any milk remaining? No, there is no milk remaining. Am I doing this right? Yes, I am doing this right. Is she feeling better now? Yes, she is feeling better now. Are they staying for dinner? No, they are not staying for dinner. Am I supposed to left here? No, you are not supposed to left here. Are we meeting at 7 o'clock? Yes, we are meeting at 7 o'clock. Am I allowed to take picture here? Yes, you are allowed to take picture here. Is she coming with us? No, she is not coming with us. Am I interrupting something? No, you are not interrupting something. Is it your first time here? Yes, it is my first time here. Are we on the right track? Yes, we are on the right track. Am I forgetting something important? No, I think I am not forgetting something important. Is she the manager of the department? No, she is not manager of this department. Are they going to the movies tonight? Yes, they are going to the movies tonight. Am I included in the group chat? Yes, you are included in the group chat. Is it a good idea to invest in stocks? Yes, it is good idea to invest in stocks. Are we having pasta for dinner? Yes, we are having pasta for dinner. Am I the only one who feels this way? Yes, you are the only one who feels this way. Is she bringing her laptop to the meeting? Yes, she is bringing her laptop to the meeting. Are they going to the gym tomorrow morning? Yes, they are going to gym tomorrow morning. Am I missing any important documents? Yes, you are missing important documents. Is it safe to swim in the ocean? Yes, it is safe to swim in the ocean. Are we going to the same event? Yes, we are going to the same event. Am I allowed to the park here? Yes, you are allowed to park here. Is she allergic to peanuts? No, she is not allergic to peanuts. Are they staying at the hotel downtown? Yes, they are staying at the hotel downtown. Am I invited to the party? Yes, you are invited to the party. Is it too late to order pizza? Yes, it is too late to order pizza. Are we going the right way? Yes, we are going the right way. Am I making sense? Yes, you are making sense. Is she available for a phone call? No, she is not available for a phone call. Are they planning a surprise party for him? Yes, they are planning a surprise party for him. Am I eligible for this discount? Yes, you are eligible for the discount. Are we meeting at the usual place? Yes, we are meeting at the usual place. Am I pronouncing your name correctly? Yes, you are pronouncing my name correctly. Is she coming back later? Yes, she is coming back later. Are they bringing their kids to the event? No, they are not bringing their kids to the event. Am I responsible for this task? Yes, you are responsible for this task. It is necessary to fill out this form. Yes, it is necessary to fill out this form. Are we running out of time? Yes, we are running out of time. Is she happy? Yes, she is happy. Are they ready? No, they are not ready. Am I late? Yes, you are late. Is it cold outside? No, it is not cold outside. Are we there yet? Yes, we are there yet. Am I included in the list? Yes, you are included in the list. Is he your friend? No, he is not my friend. Are they siblings? Yes, they are siblings. So guys, this was the program. Following this program, you will learn how to ask a question. You will increase your fluency, and please use this program, because despite not having proper tense command, grammar command, you can learn the grammar without mugging up, because you know grammar can't be learned. You just have to do practice every day, and do practice like the way as I did. Okay, so it will improve your fluency, it will improve your how to ask question. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful for you, or you can take screenshot from the screen. Okay, so we will meet in the next video. Please hit the like button if you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye.